5 winter hacks you need to know. Cut a pool noodle lengthwise and open it up. Lift the windshield wiper, place the noodle over it, then lower the wiper back down. Do the same with the other wiper. This prevents the wipers from freezing to the windshield. In the morning, just remove the noodle and you're good to go. Next, take a zip-top bag and open it. Slip it over the side mirror and secure it with a rubber band. Do the same for the other mirror. The bag protects your mirrors from snow and frost. Remove the bags and enjoy mirrors ready for driving. Always keep a piece of cardboard in your trunk. Place it under the front wheels. The cardboard increases traction and helps you move off on snow or ice. 1 tablespoon is all you need, and you can forget about scraping your windshield in the morning. Cold mornings can be really unpleasant, and clearing ice off the glass often takes way too long. Instead of buying an expensive de-icer, you can make your own. Pour 1 cup of alcohol into a tall container. It melts ice fast and boosts the whole mixture. Then add half a cup of white vinegar. Vinegar not only enhances the effect of the alcohol but also lowers the freezing point, helping the ice melt faster and preventing a new layer from forming. Add half a cup of boiled water to get the right consistency. Now add 1 tablespoon of a secret, very important ingredient. It forms a protective layer and slows down refreezing. Add a tablespoon of dish soap to help the mixture spread evenly. A few drops of essential oil will give it a pleasant scent, so it's effective and nice to use. Once mixed, pour everything into a spray bottle, close it and shake well. Spray it over the frosted windshield, and the ice will disappear within moments, leaving the glass perfectly clear. The secret ingredient is glycerin, thanks to which you can finally forget what morning scraping feels like. I don't waste time in the morning defrosting my car windows. At night, I spread a towel over the glass. The towel traps the moisture, so ice doesn't form, and the windows stay clear and ready to drive in the morning. Pour some alcohol into your sprayer. This keeps your windows from freezing and helps rain roll off much faster. Then clean the glass with a magic sponge. Its unique texture reaches even the tiniest imperfections. The result is a crystal-clear, smooth surface that looks freshly polished. These are the 3 biggest habits that damage your car when driving with a manual transmission. Check if you're making any of them. First, resting your hand on the gear lever while driving. It causes imprecision when shifting gears and leads to premature wear of the gearbox mechanism. It's much better to keep both hands on the steering wheel to maintain full control of the car. The second mistake is resting your foot on the clutch pedal. This habit can interfere with the clutch's proper operation, causing excessive friction, overheating, and faster wear. Always keep your left foot next to the pedal and press the clutch only when shifting gears. Third, many drivers hold the clutch on hills or in traffic jams, thinking it's easier. In reality, it causes constant friction between the clutch disc and the pressure plate, drastically shortening clutch life. It's much better to put the car in neutral, pull the handbrake, and wait for the green light. This way, you rest and take care of your car at the same time. Change your habits and enjoy smooth driving every day. A young mom showed me this trick. It makes traveling easier for everyone. Start by completely removing the headrest from your car seat. Car headrests are designed for easy removal. Next, take a Ziploc bag and place it sideways where the headrest rods go into the seat, with the opening on the side. Use a pen to poke holes in the bag where the rods will go through. Make 3 rows of holes. Now, reinsert the headrest into its original position. Simply slide your phone into the bag through the side opening, and you have an instant hands-free screen holder. This simple hack allows you or your passengers to watch movies, shows, or cartoons comfortably in a horizontal position. In just a few minutes, you'll have a practical and budget-friendly phone holder, no extra purchases or tools needed, easy, cheap, and functional. The bottle trick is a method used by thieves. Be cautious if you see a bottle wedged under the car's body near a wheel. Such incidents are on the rise, and thieves are becoming more inventive. The bottle trick is just one of their many techniques to steal a car. All they need is an empty drink bottle. They don't even require your keys. If you notice a bottle stuck near the wheel, stay alert and be careful. It's a scam. Thieves use this trick to gain access to your car without keys. They count on you not noticing the bottle. That's all they need to get into your car and rob you, or even drive off with the vehicle. Thieves are clever enough to place the bottle near the passenger side wheel. If you're traveling alone, you rarely approach your car from that side. This increases the chance that you won't spot it. Once you're unaware of the situation or the danger, you'll unlock the car, get in, start the engine, and drive off. As you begin to move, the bottle wedged between the body and the tire will cause a strange noise. At that moment, you'll likely stop and get out to investigate. This is exactly what the thieves are waiting for. You probably won't turn off the engine or take your bag or other belongings with you. While you're checking the source of the noise on the other side of the car, the thieves will simply get in and drive away. In the best-case scenario, they'll only grab your personal belongings, taking advantage of the fact that you left the door open. In either case, it's a distressing experience. Stay vigilant and warn your friends about this bottle trick used by thieves. If you notice a coin placed behind your car door handle, it's a bad sign. You need to know what it means. Thieves are constantly coming up with new ways to steal. Sometimes, they're after what's inside your car. Other times, they want to steal the car itself. Automatically locked doors with a remote shouldn't open. So when you park somewhere, you just click the key and walk away, thinking the car is locked. But this doesn't stop thieves. Even in broad daylight, they don't need to break in. The coin trick is enough for them. Criminals place a coin in the handle to block the door. This simple trick keeps the door with the coin from locking, exactly what the thief wants. Most often, thieves put the coin in the passenger door handle. If you drive alone, you probably won't check that side of the car. This doesn't apply to all cars, so it's wise to check if the coin trick prevents your doors from locking. It could save you from major trouble. Spray your car window with this mixture, and it will defrost without scraping. This simple mix will save you time and frustration, and it costs just a few bucks. Cold mornings can be unpleasant, and scraping ice off your windows can take a while. Instead of buying expensive de-icer, you can make your own. Most of the ingredients are already in your home. You'll never have to scrape windows before driving again. In a container, pour 30 milliliters of salicylic alcohol. It has properties that dissolve ice. Next, add 30 milliliters of vinegar. Then, measure 15 milliliters of dishwashing liquid. It has surfactant properties that reduce surface tension, helping the mixture work better. Finally, pour in 400 milliliters of warm water. You can use lukewarm water, but hot water will speed up the ice melting process. Mix everything together, transfer it to a spray bottle, and screw on the lid. Let me know the lowest temperature in your city this year. Spray your windows with this de-icer, and within seconds, you'll see the ice start to melt. The ingredients ensure the mixture won't freeze on your windows. No more scraper needed, just spray and leave it. This trick will save you time and won't hurt your wallet.